flow, all dro. That's all it is.
All it is.
Marijuana.
Natural.
A little marijuana.
So there you have it.
You already know, man. Shortwave, boy, man. Give a shout out.
Oh, man, D-Boy the Senate in this motherfucker, man. Yeah, Montana, man. You already know, Diggle in the building.
I keep grinding till the morning.
And nah, girl, you can't hold me. You don't know me. Eyes all red from the blunt of
You already know, like I said, man, it's a very, very important piece to the puzzle. 925 Records. This is my man right here, Big Fame, man. Holla at him.
What's happening with it? You know what I'm talking? We out here pushing this shit. 9 to 5, fuck with my nigga Montana. You know what I'm talking? We out here doing it. Town business 805-661. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? We really out here in these streets. You know what I'm talking about? Pushing this shit. You know what I'm talking about? It's about, you know, putting it in your pocket and getting where you want to go. You know what I'm talking about? You can get involved or stand on the sidelines, nigga. The ball is in play. How you gonna do it? You know what I'm talking about? College to the gang. You know what I'm talking about? And this is how we gonna do. Oh boy. I mean, nigga, I'm one of them ones that need to be out here fucking with this shit. So, you know, we go ahead and season the game, you know what I mean, and put some spices on this shit. You know what I mean? And got the shit cracking though. Oh, nigga, I'm fresh out, you know what I'm talking about? You know, I just came out here right now, so, you know, nigga off a couple of cocktails, you know, we about to get it started, turn this shit up. You know, and get upside down with it, you dig? I got my new project come out. I don't even think we named it. I think I want to name it wasabi sauce or something, you feel me? You know, I'm already off that Worcestershire sauce, so, you know, we're going to have to spice it up just a tad bit. Oh, yeah, I'm dot everywhere, you know what I'm talking about? You can find Montana, you can find me. I'm Big Fame, you know what I'm saying? Dot, at your mama house. Fuck with my nigga Chuck, you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, damn, big dog. Hey, I heard his new shit. Man, killing the game. Big Fame already.
Hurting bitches' feelings and getting in bitches' purses, man. You know? Yeah, college to you, bro.
Yeah, thank you, man. I mean, thanks for giving us the opportunity.
On everything. I feel you, bro.
Enjoy the rest of the night. Maybe I'll catch you.
Oh, yeah, don't trip. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? I'm bound to be with two bitches at any time. You know?
We shoot the video 2 weeks in the Bay Area. Got cocaine in my car, cocaine in my truck, cocaine in her nose. I'm like, cocaine on these hoes. I throw dick for the low, tell a broke bitch no hoe. I'm the free fuck in high school, I don't do that shit no more. My right hand on my steering wheel, my left hand on my weapon. My right hand on my shotgun, we ride around trying to get her. My hands all in my business, worry about my business. I'm hanging out with them stitches, and all y'all on my hip is I'm a dead fool, get a hand to, and I'm old school like the rock gang. Disappear with the cocks gang, then slide through that octane. I'm flake, I'm swaying around no aim. I'm getting down on sight, knocking you right above his like a fucking raid. We're watching your house like a damn parade. In the night, you can find me in the limelight, where it shine bright. Because of the hindsight, I'm a decent individual when I spin the flow. But I look like I'm in the brand. Brush lights in my white. It's still a slick on me. It's gonna be war. I can handle mine, so you better handle yours. Drink in my hand, so you know I'm gon' dig. When I'm in the club, it's just me and my knee. Throw your tees up, and that recipe is dead. Oh, you know what it is. Yeah, you know what it is. Best I can dance the whole song and don't feel it. Best I can dance the whole song and don't feel it. Best I can dance the whole song and don't feel it. Drink in my hand, and I bet I won't feel it. Read it in the newspaper. Romper room gang. Take a look at where my crew the south and back, 7 bitches with it. And BMF, you vouch for that. Bosses, no bosses, you can ask about, man. I get it at all costs, you can ask about.
We out here right now, man. Shout out to the boy Montana one time. Also Jay Diggs, man, 661, man. We're out here. Thanks for the accommodations, bruh.
Man, we got this motherfucker knocking at our door again.
Who is that?
Man, fuck you, man. Man, we don't sell corn here. Man, we need some toilet paper. Where the hose at? Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and take a peek at this next clip right here, man. Exclusively with Shortwave Society.
She's so fine.
The be easy first.
Don't do it. That nigga PSD's a rat. I said it.
Fuck PSD.
We got an exclusive right here. Yeah. That's exclusive, man. You know what I'm talking about? 707, man. You know what I mean? We out here.